In the following video, we're going to be talking about shapes, chord shapes, right? Usually when we talk about chords, we try to break it down by the notes. In this video, we're not going to be talking about the notes so much. We're going to focus more on the shape. And we're going to use a shape that we know, and we're going to use that shape to learn different chords along the fretboard, right? So I'm going to start off with a minor shape. It's an easy shape to build. All I'm doing is I'm using two fingers. Right now, in this case, I'm using finger number 2 and finger number 3 right below it. And I'm doing an E minor chord. Okay, I'm going to use that E minor and I'm going to move it chromatically down, and that's going to change the name of the chord, right? So I'm going to, instead of using finger number 2 and 3, I'm going to use finger number 3 and 4. I'm just going to move it down 1 fret, and I'm going to use a bar to replace the nut, right, that we had here. So I can't move the nut down, so I'm going to use the bar. And now what I have the same shape. If you look at it closely, you're going to see that it's just two fingers close together in string number 5 and 4, and I have an F minor chord. It's E minor. I'm going chromatically down, so right after E goes F, and in this case, I'm using the 6th string as my guide, right? The 6th string is going to be my guide going down. That's going to be the name of the chord. That's going to be the tonic, okay? So I have E minor, F minor, and then I'm going to go 1 step down, 1 fret down, which is going to be F, F sharp. But in this case, it's going to be F sharp minor. I'm building a minor shape. I'm going to go 1 down. Now I'm in G minor. I'm going to go 1 fret down. That's going to be G sharp. 1 fret down. That's going to be A minor. Okay, let's review here. What I did is I took a minor shape that I knew and I just kept moving it down chromatically using the 6th string as my guide. I can use the same thing with a major shape. And for a major chord, we all know E major, right? All I'm doing is I'm adding finger number 1 on string number 3. And now I have an E major chord. Minor, major, that's the major chord. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that shape down just 1 fret, right? And I'm going to use the bar. And right now I'm doing an F major chord. So what I did was I have the E major chord, I moved it down, that gave me F, and if I move it 1 more down, that's going to be F sharp, right? That's a major chord also. 1 more, that's G, G major. G sharp major. We have A. We can go down also. If we go down, we can say them in flats, right? So we have A flat, G, G flat, F, and then we are back to our starting point, which was that major shape E, right? F, E, minor, minor, and minor. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to practice that. I want you to practice going down. The first thing that you can do is review the name of the string, right, going down chromatically. So we have E, F, F sharp, G, and then we have G, G sharp. You can continue going down, right? So this would be A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and then you have D, D sharp, E, right? And after you review the name of the notes, you can then try those two positions, those two shapes, right? We have the minor shape with his just two fingers, and you have the major shape with his, you're just adding that finger number one. And you can take those shapes and just go all the way down the fretboard, right? Step by step, and then you can go down. As you go up, you can use sharps. As you go down, you can use flats. The names, like G sharp, and then instead of a G sharp would be A flat, right? If you're going down. Okay, so as you're going down the fretboard, just remember to try to figure out what's the correct name of that chord. Not only the shape, I want you to learn also that that's an A minor chord, okay? So it's really important to also know the shape and the name of the chord.